8 reasons to drink hot lemon water every morning. Barely half an eyelid open, you throw yourself on the coffee. Or, on the contrary, you wouldn't imagine a breakfast without a boiling tea. Give up your habits and instead adopt the detox drink acclaimed by the stars and followers of a healthy lifestyle. Suppose Hollywood celebrities are the first to test drastic diets and unusual slimming solutions. In that case, everything should not be thrown into their fitness routine, the proof with hot lemon water, which has benefits for the body. 1. Digestion. The composition of lemon promotes the elimination of toxins and impurities and stimulates the liver. Mixed with hot water, citrus helps reduce gastric acidity, nausea, and heartburn. 2. Immunity. The vitamin C contained in the fruit has anti-inflammatory effects and therefore helps to protect against colds. Its potassium allows it to regulate our blood pressure and stimulate the activity of our brain. 3. Weight. The pectin contained in citrus decreases the feeling of hunger and helps limit snacking. And its detox effect improves the functioning of the liver, which is responsible for metabolism and, therefore, the ability to burn fat. 4. Moral. The aroma of lemon is known to be energizing, and the scent of lemon juice is known to decrease anxiety. Associated with lukewarm water for maximum effect, it offers a cure of natural antidepressants. 5. Acidity. Although citric lemon does not produce acidity, on the contrary, it even helps to regulate it thanks to its alkaline power. 6. Skin and teeth. The antiseptic properties of the fruit promote the hygiene of the skin and that of the gums. And the vitamin C it contains reduces blemishes and wrinkles. 7. Healing. The ascorbic acid contained in vitamin C in lemon helps heal faster. It is also essential for cartilage and bone health. 8. The respiratory tracts. The mix of hot water and lemon is an excellent natural medicine to get rid of chest infections. And, once again, the fruit's high vitamin C content effectively fights infections like tonsillitis and sore throats.